Hello children, today I am going to explain you another topic of the chapter, that is valency. What is valency? It is a combining capacity of an atom or of a radical with the other atom or the radical, okay, in a chemical reaction. Or as I told, it is a number of electron loose, gain or share by an atom to become stable in a chemical reaction. The valency of hydrogen is 1 and it is considered as a standard since no other element has combining capacity less than that of hydrogen. In example number 1, you can check in hydrogen chloride HCl molecule, one chlorine atom combined with the one hydrogen atom. So the valency of chlorine atom is 1. In water molecule H2O, one oxygen atom combined with two hydrogen atoms. So the valency of oxygen atom is 2. In ammonia molecule NH3, it is ammonia, one nitrogen atom combined with three hydrogen atoms. So the valency of nitrogen atom is 3. In methane formula CH4, one carbon atom combined with four hydrogen atoms. So the valency of carbon atom is 4. Structure is given like this. Now after that, another topic, that is variable valency. As I told in class 7 also, some elements show more than one valency. They are said to have variable valency. If they have less valency, so their suffix will be as. If they have more valency, so their suffix will be ik. For example, elements like iron, copper, tin, lead, sulfur and phosphorus have variable valency. That you can see like iron metal with the lower valency 2 is named as ferrous, whereas iron metal with the higher valency 3 named as ferric. The variable valency represented by Roman number. Thus the ferrous Fe2 plus is written as Fe in the bracket second, or ferric will be Fe3 third, you can write in a bracket. Okay, so in that way, same in the case of mercury. So mercury first is mercurous and mercury second is mercury. Same in the case of copper, you can check, that is copper when valency is 1 it is cuprous, copper 1, and when valency is 2 this is cupric. Iron I have told you, that is ferrous and ferric. Now after that, another topic is radical. What is radical? Radical is an atom of an element or group of atom of different element that behave as a single unit with positive or negative charge. There are two kinds of radical, acid radical or basic radical. Acid radical, they are negatively charged radical and they are also called anions. Negative charged radicals are called acid radical or anions. Non-metallic ions and group of non-metallic atom with the negative charge are called acid radical. Basic radical, positive charge radical are called basic radical or cation. All metallic ions and some group of non-metallic atom with positive charge are called basic radical. Now you can check here, a radical is formed by atom or group of two or more different atom and combined as behave as a single unit. They do not have independent existence, they exist in combination with the other radical or element. The valency of radical is equal to the number of positive or negative charge shown on it. The molecule of compound is usually made up of two radicals. For example, NaCl. So Na plus is positive and Cl minus is negative. Na plus is cation and Cl negative is anion. Similarly, in copper sulfate consists of copper 2 plus basic radical and SO4 2 negative acid radical. So SO4 2 negative radical act as a single unit but cannot exist independently. It combined with the other radical like copper. So understand children? So it combined with the other element like copper. So this is about radical, and you can check like in this table so many radicals are there. This I have told in class 7 also, but you can check here. Like first of all I am going to discuss all acid radical. Acetate formula CH3COO 1 negative, valency 1. Bicarbonate HCO3 1 negative, valency 1. Bisulfate HSO4 1 negative, valency 1. Bromide Br 1 negative, valency 1. Chloride Cl 1 negative, valency 1. Hydroxide OH 1 negative, valency 1. Cyanide Cn 1 negative, valency 1. Nitrate NO3 1 negative, valency 1. Nitrite NO2 1 negative, valency 1. Carbonate CO3 2 negative, valency 2. Dichromate Cr2 O7 2 negative 2. Sulfate SO4 2 negative, valency 2. Sulfide SO3 2 negative, valency 2. Phosphate PO4 3 negative, valency 3. Carbide C4 valency 4. Bisulfite HSO3 1 negative, valency 1. Oxide 2 negative, valency 2. Now basic radical, ammonium NH4 plus valency 1 plus 1, valency is 1. Argentinus Ag plus valency 1, sodium Na plus valency 1, mercurous Hg plus valency 1, calcium Ca2 plus valency 2, cupric Cu2 plus valency 2, ferrous 2 plus valency 2, magnesium Mg2 plus valency 2, zinc Zn2 plus valency 2, aluminum Al3 plus valency 3, chromium Cr3 plus valency 3, ferric iron that is Fe3 plus valency 3, hydrogen H plus valency 1, potassium K plus valency 1, gold Au2 plus valency 2, platinum Pt4 plus valency 4, plumbic Pb4 plus valency 4. Okay beta, so this is about your radical. Hope you understand, and next topic I will discuss in my next module.